See, I haven't opened the Smitten box yet. Let's unbox this Smitten box. I have my scissor over here. Let's open this quickly. So all the products come in a cardboard packaging like this, and this time I have a packaging like this. This is the first time I'm receiving a paper packaging. It's not actually a paper material, but something similar to that, which is good for packaging. Instead of plastic, they are using this material, which is great. So in this Smitten box, I have altogether 6 products which I have purchased from Smitten's trial section with 6 trial points. So let's begin by showing you the first product. This is from the brand Wow Skin Science, and this is the Nargis Body Butter. It helps to hydrate and soften rough skin. It has no parabens and no sulfates, and its net quantity is 25 ml, and it is dermatologically tested. It is a sample size product. It was manufactured in October 2020, and you can use this product till September 2022. MRP is not given here as it is a not for sale product. It is a sample size product or a complimentary product. Let's see how it is from inside. Okay, it is a white cream. It is a body butter. Let's see how it is. Okay, it is quite thick and moisturizing, which is great, and it moisturizes well. I can see it in the first go. Let me sniff it and see how it is, how its fragrance is. The next product is here from Bonjour Paris One Stroke Nail Liqueur. There are 2 products from the same brand, and these 2 are nail paints. One is in the shade number 19, the other one is in the shade number 26, and these are priced at MRP 95 each. And these were manufactured in October 2020, and they can be used till 2023, so which is great. One is in the dark pink shade and the other is in the nude shade, and both products have a quantity of 5 ml each. These nail paints are really good. I also have 2 other color variants of these nail paints in the same brand, which I purchased previously from Smitten, and they were amazing. So I'm looking forward to try out these shades as well. However, I'll share the pictures after applying these 2 nail paints on my fingers, on my nails. So these are the 2 shades, you can see it here. The next product is from the brand Fresh Look, and these are one-day color contact lens. These come in a packaging like this, as you can see it here. I have ordered these in the shade blue, as you can see it here. Each and every detail is mentioned over here of these 2 lenses, and this is a one-day color contact lens in the shade blue. And the 5th product is from the brand Aranya Skincare Naturally Youth Preserve Night. This is a Youth Preserve Night Cream Okra, and this has a weight of 25 grams. This is also a sample size product, so the price is not mentioned over here. However, the packaging month is 11/2020, and it can be used up to the month of October 2023. So how it looks like, it is an okayish product size wise. I'm looking forward to try out this product. Let me check how the consistency of this product is. Okay, the consistency is also nice, not very thick and not very light also. It's in somewhere between. And the last product with me is the AHA BHA gel for active acne from the brand The Derma Co. This is a 10-gram product. It has glycolic acid, salicylic acid and niacinamide. So this product is of ₹99, and it is manufactured in Jan 2020, and it can be used up to Jan 2022. Let's see how the product is from inside. Okay, so this is how the tube looks like. This is a 10-gram product, and as I have mentioned several times in my previous videos that I am suffering from severe acne and pimples. So I saw this product in the trial section of Smitten, so I quickly ordered this product because I wanted to try out this product on my pimple and acne, and if it works well, then I'll order a full-size product. Okay, so this is sealed over here. However, I'll be trying out this product and letting you know if it works or not. I'll be giving you my review and opinion of the benefits and the outcomes of this product. However, inside the packaging I got the benefits and key ingredients of this AHA BHA gel that has glycolic acid. It helps to exfoliate and brighten skin. The second has salicylic acid that controls oil and minimizes pores, and niacinamide helps in anti-inflammatory and treats acne. Okay, let's see how this product works, and each and every detail is given here how to apply. You just have to use it twice daily. Okay, that's not a tough task. Let's see how it gives the result. And here all the products are mentioned of the same brand, so I hope that this product works well for me. So that was it. So these were all the 6 products that I purchased from Smitten trial section, and I used 1 trial point for each and every product, as each and every product over here had 1 trial points associated to them. So if you're interested in purchasing anything from Smitten, you can go ahead and check it out. It is a really nice app, and if you want to try out some products, you can definitely go ahead and check the Smitten app's trial section. You'll definitely love that part. So until next video, bye bye and take care. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and my videos. Thank you.